Hello students, welcome to me to maths classes. Your question is, if sin theta plus alpha is A and sin theta plus beta is B, then you have to prove that cos 2 times alpha minus beta minus 4AB cos alpha minus beta is equals to 1 minus 2A square minus 2B square. Now, to prove this identity, first of all, let us consider the left hand side, and in the left hand side we have to find the value of cos alpha minus beta, and cos 2 alpha minus beta can also be written as in the terms of cos alpha minus beta. So first of all we are going to find out cos alpha minus beta. So consider cos alpha minus beta. Now we can do one thing कि आप अपने एंगल के अंदर we can add theta or subtract theta, then it will become theta plus alpha can be written in one bracket and minus can be taken common, and theta plus beta can be written in the second bracket. Okay, now we can apply the formula for cos A minus B, and cos A minus B is cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, this is the formula for cos A minus B. So cos of this A minus B will be equals to cos theta plus alpha into cos theta plus beta plus sin theta plus alpha into sin theta plus beta. Okay, now we already know the value of sin theta plus alpha and sin theta plus beta. So we are going to first find out the values of these two angles. So now cos of, since sin of theta plus alpha is equals to A, that must implies कि cos of theta plus alpha is equals to, आपको पता है एक फॉर्मूला होता है कि cos A is equals to square root of 1 minus sin square A, आपका 10th का फॉर्मूला होता है ये, cos A is equals to square root of 1 minus sin square A. तो cos of theta plus alpha will be equals to square root of 1 minus sin theta plus alpha का whole square. And similarly, since sin theta plus beta is equals to B, that must implies that cos theta plus beta is equals to square root of 1 minus sin square theta plus beta. Now we know the values of all the four ratios. So we can, using 1, from 1 we get 1 implies that cos alpha minus beta will be equals to cos theta plus alpha, that is square root of 1 minus A square, into cos theta plus beta, that is square root of 1 minus B square, plus sin theta plus alpha is A and sin theta plus beta is B. Okay, this is the value of cos theta alpha minus beta. Now we can easily prove our identity. So consider left hand side. Consider left hand side of your identity. Now consider left hand side is cos 2 alpha minus beta minus 4AB cos alpha minus beta. Okay, this is your left hand side. Now cos 2A can be written as 2 cos square A minus 1 आपने कौन सी आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई की है? cos 2a इज इक्वल्स टू 2 cos स्क्वायर a माइनस 1, cos 2a is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Now you can substitute the value of cos alpha minus beta here and here. So by substituting the value of cos alpha minus beta here, square root of 1 minus a square 1 minus b square plus ab whole square, इसका स्क्वायर है cos alpha minus beta का, minus 1 minus 4ab square root of 1 minus a square square root of 1 minus b square plus ab. Now you can use a plus b whole square. तो a plus b whole square का फॉर्मूला अगर आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे then you will get a square plus b square plus 2ab a into b. Okay, and this is as it is. You can multiply 4ab with this and this, so minus 4ab square root of 1 minus a square 1 minus b square and minus 4ab a square b square. 4ab को आप ab से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then you will get 4a square b square. Now you can separate these टू को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं पूरे ब्रैकेट से, then you will get 1 minus a square minus b square plus a square b square plus a square b square. ओके, और 2 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then you will get 4ab square root of 1 minus a square square root of 1 minus b square. Okay, 2 is going to be multiplied by this factor, minus 1 minus 4ab square root of 1 minus a square square root of 1 minus b square minus 4a square b square. Now we can do one thing, these two terms are going to be cancelled out. Now this is a square b square plus a square b square, so 2a square b square. तो आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 2 माइनस 2a स्क्वायर माइनस 2b स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज 4a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर minus 1 minus 4a square b square, and this will also cancel out and you will get your answer, that is 1 minus 2a square minus 2b square, and this is your right hand side. So students, thanks for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.